Welcome to Net Worth Newbies. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for anyone looking to take control of their financial future. Net worth. So, what exactly is net worth? Simply put, it's the difference between what you own and what you owe. To calculate your net worth, you add up all your assets, like your home, savings, and investments, and subtract your liabilities, such as loans and credit card debt. This simple equation gives you a snapshot of your financial health. But why does net worth matter? Understanding your net worth is essential for several reasons. First, it provides a clear picture of where you stand financially. Are you building wealth or are you in the red? Knowing your net worth can help you set realistic financial goals and track your progress over time. It's like having a financial report card that helps you assess your performance and make informed decisions. Now, let's set the tone for today's discussion. We want this to be engaging and informative, so whether you're just starting your financial journey or looking to refine your strategy, there's something here for everyone. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what net worth is, but also why it's a vital metric for assessing your financial health. So, are you ready to uncover the secrets of your own financial landscape? Let's explore how knowing your net worth can empower you to make smarter financial choices and ultimately lead you to a more secure and prosperous future. Stay tuned as we break it all down. Understanding net worth, defining its components. Let's break down the concept of net worth and its key components. At its core, net worth is a financial snapshot that tells you how much you own versus how much you owe. To calculate your net worth, you need to understand two main categories: assets and liabilities. Assets are everything you own that has value. This includes tangible items like your home, car, and personal belongings, as well as financial assets such as savings accounts, stocks, and retirement funds. For example, if you own a house worth $300,000 and have $20,000 in your savings account, those figures contribute positively to your net worth. On the other hand, liabilities are what you owe. This includes debts like mortgages, car loans, credit card balances, and student loans. If you have a mortgage of $200,000 and a car loan of $15,000, these amounts will reduce your net worth. To calculate your net worth, simply subtract your total liabilities from your total assets. In our example, if your total assets are $320,000 and your total liabilities are $215,000, your net worth would be $105,000. Understanding your net worth is crucial because it reflects your financial stability. A positive net worth indicates that you own more than you owe, which is a sign of financial health. Conversely, a negative net worth suggests that your debts exceed your assets, which can be a cause for concern. By regularly assessing your net worth, you can make informed decisions about budgeting, saving, and investing, ultimately leading to a more secure financial future. So, take a moment to evaluate your own assets and liabilities. Your financial health depends on it. Calculating net worth. A step-by-step guide. Calculating your net worth is a straightforward process that can provide valuable insights into your financial health. Let's walk through the steps to help you determine your net worth effectively. Step 1. Identify your assets. Start by listing all your assets. These are items of value that you own. Common assets include your home, car, savings accounts, retirement accounts, investments, and personal belongings like jewelry or collectibles. For each asset, note its current market value. For example, if your home is worth $300,000 and your car is valued at $15,000, make sure to include these figures in your total. Step 2. Total your assets. Once you have identified all your assets, it's time to total them up. Add together the values of each asset to get your total assets. Using our previous example, if you have $300,000 in your home, $15,000 in your car, and $20,000 in savings, your total assets would be $335,000. Step 3. Identify your liabilities. Next, you'll want to list all your liabilities. These are debts or obligations that you owe. Common liabilities include mortgages, car loans, credit card debt, student loans, and any other outstanding loans. For instance, if you have a mortgage of $200,000 and a credit card balance of $5,000, make sure to include these amounts. Step 4. Total your liabilities. Add up all your liabilities to get your total liabilities. In our example, if you have a mortgage of $200,000 and a car loan of $15,000, your total liabilities would be $215,000. Step 5. Calculate your net worth. Finally, subtract your total liabilities from your total assets. Using our figures, if your total assets are $335,000 and your total liabilities are $215,000, your net worth would be $120,000. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily calculate your net worth and gain a clearer understanding of your financial situation. Importance of tracking. Net worth, the key to effective financial planning. Monitoring your net worth is a crucial aspect of financial planning that can significantly impact your financial future. One of the primary reasons for tracking your net worth is that it helps you set realistic financial goals. By knowing where you currently stand, you can identify areas for improvement and create specific, measurable objectives. For instance, if your net worth is lower than you'd like, you might set a goal to increase your savings or pay down debt. This clarity allows you to focus your efforts on what truly matters, making your financial journey more purposeful. Another important aspect of tracking net worth is its role in assessing your financial progress over time. Regularly calculating your net worth provides a benchmark against which you can measure your growth. By comparing your current net worth to previous calculations, you can see how your financial decisions are impacting your overall wealth. This ongoing assessment can be incredibly motivating, as it highlights the positive changes you've made, whether it's through increased savings, reduced debt, or successful investments. Understanding your financial position through net worth tracking also offers numerous benefits. It gives you a comprehensive view of your financial health, allowing you to make informed decisions about budgeting, investing, and spending. With a clear picture of your assets and liabilities, you can identify potential risks and opportunities, enabling you to navigate your financial landscape more effectively. In summary, tracking your net worth is not just about numbers. It's about empowering yourself to take control of your financial future. By setting goals, assessing progress, and understanding your financial position, you can make smarter decisions that lead to long-term stability and success. So, start monitoring your net worth today and watch how it transforms your financial planning. Common misconceptions, debunking myths about net worth. When it comes to understanding net worth, several misconceptions can cloud our judgment. One of the most prevalent myths is that net worth only includes cash. In reality, net worth encompasses all your assets, including real estate, investments, vehicles, and personal belongings, not just the money sitting in your bank account. For example, if you own a home valued at $250,000 and have a retirement account worth $50,000, these assets significantly contribute to your net worth, even if your cash reserves are limited. Another common misconception is that net worth is a static figure. Many people believe that once they calculate their net worth, it remains the same indefinitely. However, net worth can fluctuate over time due to various factors, such as changes in asset values, debt repayment, or new purchases. For instance, if the housing market rises, the value of your home may increase, positively impacting your net worth. Conversely, if you take on new debt or experience a decline in asset values, your net worth could decrease. Regularly tracking your net worth helps you stay informed about these changes and adjust your financial strategies accordingly. Lastly, it's essential to clarify that net worth does not define personal value. Many individuals mistakenly equate their financial worth with their self-worth, leading to unnecessary stress and comparison with others. Your net worth is merely a reflection of your financial situation at a given time and does not encompass your skills, character, or contributions to society. Understanding this distinction can help you focus on building a fulfilling life beyond just financial metrics. By debunking these myths, you can approach your financial journey with a clearer perspective and a healthier mindset. As we wrap up our discussion on net worth, it's essential to emphasize the importance of knowing and tracking this vital financial metric. Understanding your net worth provides a clear picture of your financial health, allowing you to set realistic goals and make informed decisions about your money. By regularly calculating your net worth, you can assess your progress over time and adjust your financial strategies to ensure you're on the right path toward achieving your financial objectives. We encourage you to take the next step and calculate your own net worth. It's a straightforward process that can yield valuable insights into your financial situation. By identifying your assets and liabilities, you'll gain a better understanding of where you stand and what actions you can take to improve your financial well-being. Whether you're looking to save for a major purchase, pay down debt, or invest for the future, knowing your net worth is a crucial first step. If you found this video helpful, we invite you to subscribe to our channel for more financial tips and insights. By liking and sharing this video, you can help others in your network gain a better understanding of their financial health as well. Together, we can foster a community that prioritizes financial literacy and empowers individuals to take control of their financial futures. Thank you for joining us today. Remember, tracking your net worth is not just about numbers. It's about understanding your financial journey and making informed choices that lead to a more secure and prosperous life. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.